here on this Just a Silly Little YouTube channel.
This is Randy Hutchins Jr. I love the
Yes, the bad news is that's a rod. Why does every briefing start off like this?
It's going to start off like this. You know what you got on your mind. Hello, good ball.
You know, we give him a lot of crap for being like 2 brain cells short of an intelligent dog, but I messed up. Bad. I left the weld shop open all night, and 7 has free reign and free access to the entire shop. You want to guess where the dumb dog was? Laying on his bed. Didn't care one bit in the world.
He didn't go, he didn't leave though.
Nope, so
Like somebody said, he knows he's got it made.
so you talking about me. I like attention. But
It's
this one's
funny.
doing better too.
It's funny, he knows when I sit here, I'm doing the briefing, or I'm wrapping his foot. So he'll come over here and do just like this, and ready for me to wrap him. And if I don't go to wrap him, if I start doing this, he'll go over and lay down. And then when I say the certain words at the end,
Thank you.
he gets up, he knows it's over. But anyway, here at Never Done Projects, we are just a silly little YouTube channel, and today is the 5th of July.
I didn't want to erase all of it. I got lazy.
So,
Alright, so then, are we going to do the 93 or are we going to do the S? Like that. You didn't do it close.
I don't know how to do it, but anyway, thought we'd fire the tractor up and go finish up bush hogging because I got to doing one thing and another, and I forgot this little spot over here. So, that and need to finish the Black Betty exhaust because I would like to hear what it's going to sound like with pipes going out in the rear, whichever way we decide to do it. Well, I say we, it's not me. It's what he wants, we'll do whatever. And 7's probably fixing to knock y'all winding. But, and I would
Dang, he did.
work on Black Betty's exhaust. I would like to get on to the Fireball's ABS delete. I need to see if I've got the parts. I'm going to delete it at the end of the story, so I just need to take it off.
And I have dinner to go to. Be there at 7.
So I got an idea of how I'm going to run both lines into the block and then run them off to the motor. To the front brakes. So anyway, I may do that after he leaves for his dinner. I don't know.
Kind of why I was saying that, you know. I don't need to be here for that per se. I want to be, but I don't have to.
They don't have to be. If they don't want to be altogether, I'm not gonna make it. I didn't twist his arm. But anyway, yes, the vehicle's out to soak up the sun. Yes, I actually even thought about getting the pressure washer out again and spraying some of it off and stuff. I don't know. But this is a holiday weekend, and we're going to try to enjoy ourselves. We got 1,440 minutes in every day. Our goal is to be happy. Yeah, that'd be a good idea.
I mean, we don't have to attend it. We just got to figure out what needs to go in it.
We did have some cleaner here that we could dump in it. I think we still got some left. But
I just happened to think about that. Sorry.
but we could that'd be good to film it and have it on. I like the idea. We didn't put it up here, but I like the idea. And we did not put it up here about the lives, but
He's already done one.
I've already done one today
Hey,
on my
you gonna
way
drink
in.
that coffee?
Huh?
You gonna drink that coffee?
Probably why.
I mean, I smell it. It smells good.
Oh. Well, we'll get, you filled the whole pot, didn't you?
No.
Oh, well, you can have
You can have it. I mean, I made it for you, not for me.
Let's split it up. Anyway, like to get everything out here, and then, like I said, I kind of lost train of thought there, but 1,440 minutes in every day, be happy, enjoy yourself. Yesterday's over, it's done, you can't do nothing about it. Now, yesterday I told you to enjoy yourself. I give you time for your family yesterday. Now, get on your projects and make yourself happy. If you're not on your projects, you'll get on them. Make yourself happy. Do whatever it takes to make yourself happy, because you are 100% in control of making yourself happy. So anyway, thank y'all for stopping in on our lives. Thank y'all for watching us and everything. We really do appreciate it, and it makes us feel good when y'all come in and talk. A lot of people watching, hiding, and we appreciate it, but we really like to talk to you, see where you're from and what you got going on. So like, subscribe, and comment, and thank you.
Thank y'all. Have a good day. Keep it silly.
See what I'm saying? I say thank you, and he stands up. He knows it's the end. Keep it silly.
Well, everybody, I got a little bit of a start to it, but I don't know how to weld. I barely know how to bend the pipes because, you know, I just dabble. Dabble. But we're going to make it adapt. What are you looking for? Here, I got my grinding helmet. Okay, get on this. Let's put it on. And that light there, this camera really doesn't like it. So, and Daryl, I know I haven't responded to comments this morning. I do apologize for that. A little bit of an angle of the dangle right here. But I understand what you're saying about needing the curvature for the sound. But man, I just need it to go on right now, and I just feel better whenever it goes on. The best part is I can take it off and adjust if I want to. And that'll be at some point. This will work. Now, yeah, pipe.
Get it to a point, I'll do it.
I'm not far from getting to that point. You got the hammer? It's on the balancing machine. Would you hand it to me, please?
Now, what you fix to do before I get your...
Hammer it onto the collector right here.
Well, hold on now. It'd be easier to... It'd be easier to weld it before, you talking about getting it and then taking it off and welding it after you drive it on and get it where you want it.
I mean, right here is where I need it. So, I mean, I'll let you take a look. I just need that. I mean, if you weld around here,
We can
it ain't
always
gonna
take it
leak.
off.
Yeah.
Okay. Wait, that ain't gonna work. You
What
gotta
ain't
have
gonna
it up off of that one
Yeah,
cable.
no. This ain't.
You
It's
gotta
gonna
have it
go
where you
all the
want
way
it
up.
when I weld it. You need to put these things under. That's what these are for.
Yeah. I need to get this old hanger off though.
You just had the cutter in your hand.
It doesn't smell good or taste good. Before anyone says it, yes, I know, I am doing this completely wrong. Is this thing has rubber on it? Got it. Alright. There's that. Will you tell me if it's straight?
Straight on what?
Going forward and backwards. Y'all look over here.
I think it's the other one, just loosen one on that thing. We need to put a new clamp on it. You need to slide the whole thing out just there. Whoa. Should be right in there. Then you do your bend if you want it out, or you do your S to go out, whichever way you want it. Or you do it S, come out however you want it.
I don't know. I kind of want to put it out the side. And again, if I don't like it, I'll just put an S on it. That's right.
That's what I'm saying. You just, all you gotta do is do it with 90 degree, come out and do whatever you want.
Well,
You need to get this set up and then do that.
okay. Well, in that case, I can go grab a piece and bolt it here and wrap it around to hold that.
Is
And
that up there ready to weld?
right here?
Yeah.
Yes. Well, y'all aren't gonna be able to see it too good, but I might move y'all up here. Yeah, just like this. Then give you some angle of the danglage here, and y'all can watch Dad weld.
that light like I was like Daryl's got.
Yes, we do.
With you, what I think you need to do now is take it off and let me set it over there and weld the top part, and that way we ain't got to worry about it.
I'll take this off. You say you are ready for this to come off, right?
Yep, come off and we'll take it over. I'll weld it.
I didn't hear what you said.
I'm talking to myself.
Oh, that's fine. Pretty much together some equipment. That's hot, everybody.
Yeah, that's it.
That's gonna be good enough for right now. I'll let you keep working while I put his tires on.
Trying to figure out the best way to hang this.
We're back.
All right, go out there and look one more time before I pull the trigger on this thing.
Looks fine to me. Send it down, Roy. Hey, you're on fire.
Let it burn. I can't pick that one.
Well, that one's on. Whether it's right or on red but it's on.
I could do that. That will support all that.
Hit the camera again. I kicked the camera again. You got it ground? No.
No, put it on the thing. Well, it's on the wrong. Let's go to the other side.
Alright, we're back after a brief intermission. Stop leaving it up. Dad has, well, engineered a light for his helmet.
Just one on this one?
Yeah, I got that one in right. Believe it or not, that was the first one.
It's usually the way it goes.
Transfer case is going to be right in y'all's way, but you can see some sparkles.
I don't like that either.
What's that?
Oh, that's never mind. It's just the brakes. I thought it was the shifter cable.
Nah, brake.
Man, that is a lot easier when you can see. You can't see the top, but
I'm excited for it to dang start. Missed. All right. Well, now we can weld the back.
I think what I need to do is loosen that and go up. I think it needs to go up right there. I'm hoping this don't mess it up where you're done. Yeah, that's what I'm afraid of. should make it the same height, but I didn't move.
You got it better off.
Pretty fucking close.
Well, snatch her on there.
See if I can.
Welded it straight to the damn brake line bracket.
No!
God dang.
That wind started blowing right by the time I started welding too. Not going too fast.
All right, next time we'll start her.
Don't have that up there. Well,
All that's left is to make you a little piece up there.
oh yeah, I forgot about that. Never too much, never too much. What did you have in vice grips? I need the vice grips, please.
Needle nose or regular?
Needle nose is probably easier for me. Drive it in here. Up and down like this. Back up here. There you go. Running now.
My exhaust on my driver's side is already smoking.
And it is not easy welding through black powder paint.
Black powder paint?
Yep. Remember, I built the hitch.
Past the bumper. But, all right, everybody, Black Betty, baby. It just seems wrong not to have it coming out right up underneath the front. That sounded like Twisted Sister.
That sounds a lot better, I think. I mean, I like it being loud, but I think it sounded good right there.
All right, what's next? You working? Madison said I heard y'all were doing exhaust work today. Y'all ever want to know how to scare him? If I started right now, scared the pee out of him. But it wouldn't start, we got the battery unhooked. Disclaimer, before you do welding on vehicles like this with all these sensors, disconnect your battery, ladies and gentlemen.
here and see what it does.
I don't think y'all worry about making any more noise, ma'am. Should be as quiet as a hydrant now. It won't tell me. Give me a second, we'll start. All right, 2019 Chevy Tahoe catback custom exhaust. Three-inch all the way out the back.
Yeah, that's much better. Got a little sound to her. Let's see if it does a drive-by, fly-by. I think that's him coming right here. Hey, don't go to the road now. Come on.
Well, hello everyone. It is Saturday night, 5th of July. Man, what a day. It's been nice. But here at Never Done Projects, we are just a silly little YouTube channel. It is the 5th of July. I did a little bit of bush hogging. I didn't do a lot, but I did go out here and finish this out over here. And I need to get behind the building, but I haven't. I did do a little bit. We did Black Betty's exhaust. Turned out pretty good. Sounds real good. And we also, I did not work on Fireball's brakes. I may go up here and do it here in a minute, but I do have to make a video for tonight, so it's kind of, I don't know, we'll see how it goes. I do have to make a video. But we did do my daughter-in-law, Madison, we did do her vehicle. She had a little bit, she wanted a little bit louder, so we actually took the muffler off. And so she's basically just running cats and no mufflers, and it actually sounded pretty good. So She was happy. Randy took it down the road and come back. And when she left out of here to go eat, it really sounded good. So if she's happy, that's all that matters. And it did sound good, so I'm good with that. Baby girl, or big girl, sorry. She came in and she played on her, filled her whiteboard up and come over here and played on ours a little bit. And she did something and wiped some of the words off. She was scared she was going to be mad. We was going to be mad, but she did come straight to me and tell me. I told her it was all right. It wasn't a big deal. So she was happy. But we did get the vehicles out to soak up some sun. And I like having the flag out there. That's nice. We're really going to have to work and see if we can figure out. I got an idea for a flagpole and everything. I think it'd be a good idea, so we'll see. But like I said, it's been a beautiful day. It didn't seem like it was as hot as it normally is, but everybody's saying it was still pretty hot. I guess because I stayed working pretty much the whole day, I would stop when I got hot and sit over in front of the fan for a few minutes, but we just kept digging. And like I said, I did not get on Fireball, but that's okay. We got the exhaust on Black Betty and Madison's vehicle done, so that's a positive. And I may work on the ABS on the Camaro before I leave. I don't know. We'll see. But anyway, remember, you got 1,440 minutes in every day. Our goal is to be happy. And I'm working on that every day. Me and Randy had a long conversation yesterday. There's things that I feel like needs to be done and everything that would benefit everybody, but it's just figuring it all out. But my goal in life, in this stage of my life, is to be happy. And I'm working very hard to be happy. I enjoy being here. I'm at peace here. And I can, like just in here in just a minute, I'll probably go work on the video. And if I want to work on the car, I will. And if not, I'll just eat me an ice cream and just chill. So we'll see. But like I said, my goal is to be happy. I want you to be happy. I just told somebody in the live I just got off of, I am trying to build an empire of people that wants the same thing I do, and that is to be happy, support each other, and just be happy. And that's the whole thing. When one person's down, we all need to jump in and try to help that person out. When that person has a tragedy or something, we need to be there for them. And that's what we try to do. If we can build a community with good roots, it'll last a long time, and that's what I'm shooting for. Yes, this YouTube thing is awesome. I'm enjoying it. I'm having a good time, and we are making progress on it, so that's what I'm looking for. But I'm also looking for something I've never done in my life, and that is have somebody there for me and my back, and me be there for them. My entire life, I've always been for everybody, but when I need something, I'm solo. And that's what I'm trying to do. I'm not trying to take advantage of nobody. I don't want nobody trying to take advantage of me. I want to be here for you. I want you to want to be here for me. I don't want you to be for me because I'm here for you. You gotta want to be here for me, and I want to be there for you. So that's the whole thing. And we are building it. We got a good group of people coming in. My last few lives, we've had well, matter of fact, I think last 3 or 4, we've not had any trolls. So even if we have, even when we do, I mean, there's somebody there ready to get rid of them. So anyway, that's all I've got to say. I want everybody to enjoy themselves and be a part of what I'm trying to build here. And when I say that, I'm not trying to say I'm the leader of everybody. I'm here with all of you guys. We're all building together. If y'all go, we go. If we go, y'all go. That's the way I'm trying to do it. But anyway, remember, get out there and get on your projects. Enjoy yourself. Have a good time. Remember, a 1,000-mile journey starts with the first step, and you can't get finished until you get started. So keep it silly. Enjoy yourself. Thank y'all for coming in and watching. And I've got nothing but love for every one of y'all. So thank y'all. Keep it silly.